Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. Today we're going to be going over the Twilio SMS verification app. So we know leads are one of the most important parts of real estate, but sometimes it can be tricky when leads give fake phone numbers or phone numbers that aren't theirs. So this app allows us to verify what leads are giving the correct contact information. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how to use it. So first we need to find the app in IDXAddons.com. So under dashboard and apps, you just type in the first few letters. It should be right there. And then in order to use it, we need our Twilio credentials, which must be added to IDX add-ons in settings. So if we click here, we'll be redirected to Twilio, where we can copy our Twilio credentials and then simply paste them into IDX add-ons. So once we've copied both the account SID and the authentication token, we now need to create a service in Twilio. So I just clicked on the page that will take us directly to the place where it needs to be created. And then here you're going to click Create New. Now we give our service a name and of course enable the SMS option. Click Continue and then click Continue again. Once our service has been created, all we need to do is copy our service SID and paste it into IDX add-ons. Now we need to save our settings to generate our script code, which we will then paste into the subheaders of the IDX Broker middleware. Now we're going to copy the link here to proceed to paste the script code into the IDX Broker middleware. Once you've pasted it there, you can click on Save. I pasted it into the global subheaders, but you can paste it wherever you want or wherever you think it's necessary. As you can see here, below the phone input, there is a button to verify the phone number. As you can also see, the sign up button is locked until the user does this. So now I will proceed to verify my phone number in order to register. So once the phone number is verified, the sign up button will be unlocked. I'm now going to fill in the rest of the fields and create the lead. And as you can see, the lead has been created. One more thing I should mention is that the verification process will also be included on the Request More Info form on the detail pages. With this app, we add an extra layer to ensure that the leads generated are valuable and contain accurate information. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.